Hey everyone, this is Aisha of Decor and Designs by Aisha, and today, first of all, let me say happy Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day, but you will not be seeing this video until maybe Monday or Tuesday of next week. But I am on my way to decorate for a client in Birmingham, Alabama. She decided to decorate for Valentine's Day for her husband. So she contacted me probably about a month ago for me to come and decorate. So that's where we are headed. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. When we get there, I'm going to show you everything that I have to decorate the room. I'm going to show you the room. I'm going to do all of that, okay? And all right, so we are here in this hotel, and I'm going to show you how it looked before we start decorating. I got to turn some lights on. So I'm going to show you everything. Now this is the basket that I made. And let me show you how this room look before we put everything up. This is the little area here for the bathroom. Bathroom is there. Okay, now this is the sit area right here. As you can see. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this decorated. All right, so my daughter is helping me here to go ahead and put the roses here on the bed. So she's just kind of separating the roses. Then we have to put, now this right here is a curtain, light curtain. So we're gonna figure out some kind of way to put it in here, in the bedroom to get this done. All right, so we're gonna have lights going all the way down. And as you see, the balloons, we're blowing up the balloons here. My husband is putting the end on them. And that's how we have that right now. And that's how we have that part. These are the balloons. The rest of the balloons I have to do. And my twins are separating the roses. So we're getting it started here. So here I am entering the hotel room that we decorated, and y'all, everything is absolutely gorgeous. Remember, we decorated in the colors of blue because that's what her husband loves. And y'all, everything is absolutely gorgeous. She sent me a text and she told me that everything is gorgeous. She said her husband loved everything. And she said it brought tears to their eyes just seeing the decorations and, you know, just seeing her husband loving everything. And I'm just so thankful to God for the talent that he has given to me to be able to bless others and just help others, you know, with their vision and just blessing them. So I am just going to let you see how everything looks with the lights turned off, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it looks with the light turned on. Alright y'all, so here is the bedroom. Y'all, I am in love with this bedroom. So as you see, we put balloons on the floor, roses, and y'all see where we had to put the curtain, the light curtains. Oh y'all, this is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So make sure you contact us for your next event at Decor and Designs by Aisha. All right, so here is the bathroom area. Let me turn the light on so we can see. And this is how we decorated for that. We just put a heart there with some lights, and we did balloons going all the way to the bathroom here with some rose petals down, and just some candles here on the tub. And as soon as her and her husband enter the door, they would just walk this way, as you see, with the rose petals coming down. And there is the love sign. Absolutely gorgeous. So we blew the balloons up that said I love you. And we actually put some more balloons here on the floor. My daughter did a heart sign right here on the desk. So y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. I hope that you all have liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.